Previously, we tried to remove the back seat in our Yaris to try to give some better room for our puppy, GG Stylez.
What up, world? It's GG Stylez.
But I realized that it's just not good for him. He only has a small amount of space. He doesn't like it very much. And that brings us to our new project, where we're gonna try to make this a nice place for GG Stylez. In this episode, we're going to add the support bar and put the seat back in, but we're gonna leave out the backrest. These things. Okay, so the bar goes here. I'm actually gonna take off these seat belts and then we will put the cushion back in. I'm gonna clean this place off camera because there's still some broken glass, but if you have any suggestions or things you want to see to make this back area like nice for Gigi, I would greatly appreciate it, because he doesn't have a lot of time left and I want him to enjoy it. So we go to the park every day-ish when we can, and I want this drive to be like awesome for him. I have a couple ideas. If you want to see it, just let me know. But one of the ideas is that we have like a air duct that funnels like fresh air in back here for him. Leaves us with a small gap here. How would you fill this? For now, what I'm gonna do is just use this bed. So kind of plug into here. I think that's pretty good. If he steps in on here, it should be nice for him. All right, let's see what he thinks. Before he wasn't really jumping up onto it, so there's that dip there still. Yeah, I think some foam. Good boy, get happy. Back up. Back. Let's go for a ride. Let's see if he likes it. Camera's gone. Much better.